The following is brought to you by paulakers.net.
Hey everyone, Paul Akers. Welcome to Jack's video series. Well, a lot of you saw the video series I did with Norm. Norm gave me about 70 videos that he did in China of all the improvements that his team was making. Norm's videos were really short, maybe no longer than a minute long, documenting the before and after. Now, Jack's videos are a little different in the UK. What Jack did is he recorded all the improvements that were happening all day long, put them together, did a quick voiceover, and celebrated all those improvements. And what happened was it actually energized his team to make more improvements. This idea originally came from Alex Ramirez at Tubaloy. This is what Alex did, and then other people started adopting it. Jack was one of those adopters. Jack's been to Japan with me twice. Jack is an awesome lean leader, developing and learning his people and himself all the time. So I put these video series together as learning and training tools for you with your team in your morning meetings. So enjoy them and pass them on to other people, and welcome to Jack's video series.
Brought to you by paulakers.net, where you'll find all Paul's books and lean resources for free, including the new 2-second Lean Play app, like Audible, but free. To listen to Lean is Lean on the 2-second Lean Play app at paulakers.net.